Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best donut pan is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets for anyone who loves fresh, homemade treats without the deep frying mess, transforming your baking game by allowing you to effortlessly create perfectly shaped, fluffy donuts right in your own oven, making breakfast, dessert, or snack time a delightful and healthier experience for the whole family. Number 5. Wilton Gold Nonstick Donut Pan Set. Introducing the Wilton Gold Nonstick Donut Pan Set. This versatile two-piece set allows you to easily bake a half or full dozen delicious donuts for any occasion. It's perfect for breakfast, parties, or a sweet treat anytime. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these pans ensure reliable and even baking every time. They are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing perfectly golden and uniformly cooked donuts. You can bake with confidence knowing these pans are made without PFAS. Plus, their scratch-resistant surface means they'll stand up to many baking adventures for years to come. After enjoying your homemade treats, cleanup is a breeze. These non-stick donut pans are completely dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort after every use. Experience dependable quality with these pans, featuring extended handles for easy maneuvering. Their robust design also resists warping, ensuring they maintain their shape bake after bake. For nearly a century, Wilton has inspired bakers to create sweeter moments. Trust in their innovative products to elevate your baking experience and bring joy to your kitchen. What we like. This set offers a premium non-stick gold finish, ensuring your donuts release perfectly every time. It's made without PFAS, making it a safer choice for your family, and it's also dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. If you prioritize health-conscious baking and easy maintenance, this reliable and durable pan is an excellent option. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as source is empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. 24-pack silicone donut and muffin molds. Discover our 24-pack of silicone molds, crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone. These flexible molds come in 6 unique styles and 4 vibrant colors, perfect for all your baking needs. Each mold measures approximately 2-4 inches in diameter, ideal for mini treats. You'll love the variety of designs, making every batch unique and fun. Say goodbye to sticking. These pans are naturally non-stick, ensuring your creations pop out easily without breaking. They maintain their shape perfectly, batch after batch. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, they are safe from -40 to +446 degrees Fahrenheit. You can confidently use them in the oven, microwave, freezer, and even the dishwasher. Beyond donuts, these versatile molds are perfect for muffins, snack cakes, and even frozen treats. Get creative with jello, ice cubes, mousse, or even homemade soaps. Using them is incredibly simple, just fill and bake. They are a fantastic addition to any party, from birthdays to baby showers, sure to impress your guests. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to their bright finish. Simply soak them in warm, soapy water after use, and any residue will easily wash away with a soft cloth. What we like. This generous 24-pack of mini silicone molds provides incredible value and flexibility for your baking. Made from food-grade silicone, they are non-stick, heat-resistant, and incredibly versatile for various treats beyond just donuts. If you love making small, individual portions, enjoy experimenting with different desserts, or need a large quantity for parties, these molds are perfect. What people say. Number 3. Bellemain Premier Nonstick 6 Donut Pan. Crafted from premium steel, this pan guarantees durability and perfect results every time. Its non-stick coating simplifies both baking and cleanup, making it a must-have for your kitchen. Featuring a versatile 6-mold design, it caters to all your baking needs, from classic donuts to bagels. Its convenient hand-wash care keeps maintenance simple, ensuring it's always ready. At 12.5 by 8.5 inches and 3 inches deep, it provides ample space for delicious treats, perfect for any occasion. Its sturdy construction and non-stick surface make it a reliable companion for years. Enhance your baking experience with this high-quality pan, designed for effortless performance and consistent results. Whether you're an enthusiast or a pro, it's sure to become a staple. Say goodbye to sticky messes and uneven baking. This non-stick pan ensures easy release and uniform results, so you can enjoy professional quality treats without the hassle. What we like. Crafted from premium steel, this pan guarantees durability and consistent, even baking for perfect results. Its superior non-stick coating ensures easy release and simplifies cleanup, making your baking experience smooth. If you're a baking enthusiast looking for a sturdy, reliable pan that delivers professional quality classic donuts or bagels, this is a top contender. What people say. Number 2. Ultra Cuisine 11-piece circle cookie cutter set. Discover the Ultra Cuisine 11-piece circle cookie cutter set. This versatile collection empowers you to create a wide array of delicious treats, from delicate cookies to hearty scones. With 11 graduated sizes, ranging from 0.94 to 3.31 inches, these cutters are ideal for donuts, biscuits, pies, and more. They provide the perfect shape for all your baking needs. Crafted from heavy-duty, rust-proof stainless steel, this set is designed for long-lasting use. Its smooth, polished sides ensure your fingers stay safe while you create culinary masterpieces. Cleaning up after baking is a breeze. These circle cookie cutters are completely dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. They are also rust-resistant, maintaining their pristine condition. Don't limit its use to just pastries. This versatile set can also be used for frying eggs, making pancakes, or even shaping food rings. It's a true multitasker in your kitchen. Looking for the perfect present? This round cookie cutter set makes an excellent gift for any baking enthusiast or home cook. Its thoughtful design and convenient storage will help anyone bake like a pro. What we like. This comprehensive 11-piece set provides a wide range of sizes for all your cutting needs, from tiny to large. Made from heavy-duty, rust-proof stainless steel, these cutters are built to last and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you need precision for various pastries, enjoy making different sized cookies, or even use them for frying eggs, this versatile set is an indispensable kitchen tool. What people say. Number 1. HUAKENER Mini Fluted Cake Pan. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these pans are BPA-free and eco-friendly. They are safe for use in ovens, microwaves, refrigerators, and dishwashers, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Each pan features 6 cavities with 3 unique designs: flowers, spirals, and towers. These molds are perfect for creating delicious homemade cupcakes, muffins, brownies, and more with beautiful details. Compared to ordinary molds, these are thicker and highly durable, resisting deformation for long-term reuse. Their non-stick surface ensures easy release of your baked goods and simple cleanup. You will receive 2 mini fluted cake pans, one in pink and one in baby green. Each measures 11.5 by 6.9 by 1.6 inches, with 6 individual 2.9-inch cavities, perfect for small treats. Making homemade desserts is a healthy and meaningful activity. These molds will be your perfect helper in the kitchen, and they also make a thoughtful gift for family and friends. What we like. This 2-piece set features unique fluted designs, including flowers, spirals, and towers, adding an elegant touch to your baked goods. Made from upgraded, thicker food-grade silicone, these molds are highly durable, non-stick, and easy to release. If you enjoy making visually appealing mini cakes, muffins, or donuts with distinct shapes and value a healthy, reusable baking option, these are an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.